to my channel. My name is preciouskif for those of you who are new here. I am actually doing this intro a few days later. I'm editing the vlog right now and I realized I didn't do an intro to this video, so I just want to let you guys know what we're doing today. We're off to get my hair done, we get my nails done, and we also go see an esthetician at Flare Skin. Just bear in mind I don't do this every single month. The only thing that I actually do every month are my nails, but I thought that I would film this time around for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give it a like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and let's get right into the video.
So are you nervous?
No, I'm excited. Hey y'all, I'm quickly jumping on here just to let you guys know that I came to Pizza for a silk press and pre-bonnet extensions. It was my first time doing both these hairstyles and he came up on a YouTube search that I did, so I just decided to give him a chance. My experience was absolutely amazing. He is very good at what he does. You guys can see that he sections out every part before he blow dries it. It did not hurt, and I am super tender-headed, but my experience was very good with Peter. He did use heat protectant as well before he started blow drying and straightening my hair. If you are not heat trained, or if you already have heat damage, I would not recommend this hairstyle, but the final look is absolutely cute. Please let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and yeah, let's just get back into the video.
Walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote.
Wow.
You see it? Yes.
But if it's just showing me my split ends.
Maybe it's better this way.
Yeah,
can you see?
Yes. He's gonna cut it off. But my hair is actually pretty long.
On the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Yes, beautiful.
So when I finished with my hair, I actually visited Flair's Skin. I had a consultation with them for my skin. I wasn't allowed to vlog this time around, but they did let me know that I can vlog next time, so stay tuned for that video. Okay guys, so I just got to the mall. I had to put my hair in a ponytail because the wind was literally blowing the bangs away. But anyway, I'm on my way to Charmaine now. Something in my eye. And I am right on time. I'm not late. So I'm very proud of myself. Hi Charmaine. Good and you? Okay. Anyway, do you mind if I vlog for my channel? Okay. If I vlog, guys, this is Charmaine. It's my nail tech. Oh, Charmaine, you look good. Guys, this is Charmaine. She's going to be doing my nails today. And I've been needing it, eh? Can you see this? Yes. It looks so bad. I'm good. So Charmaine just soaked up my nails and now we are doing... What is this called?
We're gonna build with the biosculpture base.
This is what's been keeping my nails strong. Sorry? Oh, okay. And this is Charmaine. How beautiful is she, guys?
Hi!
I'll leave her information in my description box, so if you guys want to come do your nails, then you should come to Charmaine. She's the best in the game. Actually, anyone in here, hey? Because I think I've done my nails with everyone. And I've never been disappointed, so yeah. Otricia, say hi! Hi! Guys, this is Otricia. She's the one who introduced me to this fine sculpture. And I've never looked back, ever. It's the best thing that's ever happened to me, guys. Wow. Look at how beautiful my nails are. Why do I feel like that took longer than it normally does?
Your nails are long now, very smart.
Yeah, it took way longer than it normally does.
When they're short.
So we're going for pink today. We're doing this pink actually. You can just show your nails. I'm copying Otricia's nails because they're so nice. Hopefully they look as nice on me.
They will.
You know when you copy people? I think it's gonna look nice. So like I briefly mentioned earlier, we are doing biosculpture on my natural nails. Biosculpture is basically like a hard gel that promotes and strengthens your natural nails. I've been doing biosculpture for a few years now and I absolutely love it. It has definitely helped with just keeping my nails strong, and my nails hardly ever break off now. So if you are struggling with that, then I would highly suggest biosculpture for you. She's so sweet.
She's so strong. And she didn't even realize that it's on.
Shame.
Shame.
What was that? I can't even remember.
And Precious can notice. She's like, okay, wait. She was like, is this woman? Okay, wait.
I'm like, okay guys, so I just finished with my nails. This is the final look. So pretty. I think it really complements my skin. Thanks again to Charmaine who chose, oopsie, she chose it for me. My special nail tech. Again, like I said, you guys, I'm gonna leave her information in the description box down below. If you guys are in the Pretoria area and you need to get your nails done, please come to Charmaine. She is the best in the game.
Yes.
The best in the game. And Otrisha. Otrisha is also the best in the game.
Yes.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, let me pay you. So that brings us to the end of today's video, you guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.